I myself hosted natural dyeing workshops where we looked at how to dye the fibre and the yarn with plant dyes, vegetable dyes, and the first week we just learned the basics of how to get colour onto fibre, and then the second week we just explored as many colours as possible using some of the wools that was kindly sent to us by Sue Blacker at the mill.
We have all picked different dyes to try with different mordants, which are all in the buckets behind us.
What we've already done this morning is dye different yarns, different type of yarns, different colours using kind of more natural products, so things that you might find in the garden.
The different yarns take the dyes differently, which I find interesting.
The first one I did was marigold, so dried marigold flowers added with copper, and then I've done cotton, silk and loose wool. And then we have rinsed them out after the dyeing, ironed them, and then put them on the card. I'm trying to make mine as kind of remember as much as possible with mine, so I've drawn a flower for marigold, and then cochineal, I think it's how it's pronounced, is actually a beetle. So I'm just going to draw a little beetle on there now, so I can remember.
We all got to choose different dyes from the table over there and different yarns to use, and then yeah, so we've made a little production line of rinsing and ironing. The logwood that I used was very looked a real red pigment in the bag, and then when you sort of dipped it in first off, it looked like it was going to make a sort of brown colour, and then finally you take it out and you rinse it, and suddenly it turns purple. It's completely unexpected. You don't know what you're going to get. Had a lot of fun, got a bit messy, got dye on my hands.
I absolutely love nature and plants, and you know, I've been growing vegetables for some time, and I grow houseplants and I grow herbs, and it's also really lovely to realise that these amazing colours you can get straight out of plants, out of the leaves, out of the flowers and out of the roots. It's been a really nice revelation for me.